Hello guys, so let's take one of these balls and cup and spray paint it in white. We're gonna put it upside down, put a little bit of half glue and attach it to the top. We're gonna take this marble and spray paint it in gold and we're gonna place it right on top like that. Just attach it with hot glue or E6000 for better attachment. Then go ahead and place it also at the bottom part all the way around it. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. This is something simple and easy that you guys can do for your home decor. Now for the next idea, I'm going to take one of these glass from Dollar Tree and we're going to spray paint it in white. We're going to use marble as well and we're going to spray paint them in gold. Then after that, we're going to take our little marble, put a little bit of hot glue and then attach it to the base like that. We're just going to make a little line like that and attach it all the way to the bottom part. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. These are simple DIYs that you guys can do and they are simple and super cute. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take the same glass, and then I'm gonna spray paint it in white, and then I'm gonna take these beads and cut it out like that, and then I'm going to attach it with hot glue, like from top to bottom all the way down, and we're gonna continue doing this until we do the whole thing all the way around it. Then I put a little cap on top to put a candle. You could put it with a candle, or you could do with a flower like this, which is either way you guys decide to do. I think it looks super cute. This is with the flowers, and now if you want it with a candle, this is how it turns out. Super cute as well. Now for the next DIY, I'm gonna take one of this bowl, like plain bowl. I'm gonna spray paint it in gold, and I'm gonna take a tray and then just attach four balls to the bottom of the tray like that. Put three of these candle holder and put flower around it, and then I'm going to put glass on top, put a candle inside, and this is how cute you guys it turns out. This one is so pretty. You can use it for home decor or you guys can use it for party decorations. Either way, I think it will look great. Whichever you decide to do. Now, for the next idea, I'm gonna grab one of the small glass. I'm gonna take some tape and I'm gonna place it on top like that. And then I'm gonna take some rocks, take my hot glue, and I'm going to attach rocks all the way around the glass. So just attach the whole thing until you do all of it. Then I'm gonna take this candle holder. I'm gonna place it right on top and attach it into place. Then go ahead and spray paint it in gold. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. Super simple and easy that you guys can do for your home decorations. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take one of these glass. I'm gonna take some rocks and place it all the way around and attach it as well with hot glue. Then after you attach the whole thing, spray paint it in gold. I'm also going to take this one and do the same process, attach it, and I'm also going to spray paint it in gold as well. Then after you guys do that, just place it together, and this is how it turns out. Super simple. You can leave it like that with both of them together, or you could just leave it with just the vase. Now for the next idea, I'm going to take two of these plastic containers, spray painted in silver. I'm going to put one upside down, attach the other one on top. I'm going to put tape like that, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and place flowers. I'm gonna put this rhinestone in the bottom and also in the middle, and also at the top as well. So I'm gonna attach all of this, and this is how cute you guys it turns out. Super simple and super cute. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite out of all of them. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like this DIY video.